Hi guys, so my name is Taiwo Jeffrey. I am the freelance guy. In today's video, I actually want to show us the practical aspect on how to install those two extensions that I told you on, that I did the video recently on how to create a successful Fiverr account with the new extension that you can use to get your Fiverr seller profile approved. Now, let me show you the practical aspect on my PC. So follow me on my PC. No, the first thing is that I told you guys that you need to install the Microsoft Edge, which is here. Once you install it on your PC, then you click on it, you double click on it, and it will open. Once it's opened, you will go to these three dots on the right corner left. Then you click on it, you go to extensions. Then from extensions, you go to you will see the manage extensions, and you see the get extension for Microsoft Edge. You go to get extension for Microsoft Edge. Okay, so just follow this tutorial step by step, and trust me, your seller profile, your Fiverr seller profile is going to be approved. Trust me. Don't forget to follow me, to subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow me on my Facebook, follow me on my TikTok, the freelance guy. So now you will click on DuckDuckGo. You will see it here that it's open like DuckDuckGo search and tracker protection. Then you get it, you click on it, you get it, you add extensions. So the next thing is you search for either AdGuard, like I said, either you search for AdGuard or uBlock Origin. Either AdGuard or uBlock Origin, either of the two you can install. But it's two extensions. Either you use AdGuard or uBlock Origin. Let me use uBlock Origin. So let me use the uBlock Origin. That's the second one. uBlock Origin. So there is one of lights. You can use the lights, and there is one of normal one here. So you just click on it. You click on it, then you get this one, this guy. Once you get it, you add the extensions. Regardless of the type of PC that you are using, whether your PC, the Fiverr they have casted your IP for many years, or they have casted and you are thinking of buying another PC, or you are thinking of, let me go and buy Apple laptop. And for we that we can't afford the Apple laptop, and you that you cannot afford Apple laptop, or probably you have an Apple laptop, you don't need to stress yourself on installing all this extension, right? So, but those two extensions for people that they don't have the capacity to buy the Apple laptop, so you can install this extension and pin them. And mind you, if you are pinning this the uBlock Origin, I told you that the first one, which is DuckDuckGo, will not be feasible for you to pin. How do you do that? So you please make sure you watch this tutorial and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you click on this manage extension. So once you click on manage extension, then you go to so then you can switch it on here. You switch it on here, then you go back to the extension pin. Then you can now pin them. So once you pin them, then the next thing is you ensure that these things are reading. You ensure that they are reading, because if they are not reading, it's not going to work. Okay, make sure that it's reading. Okay, so because it's not going to work if it's not reading. Okay, so now the next thing is you check the DuckDuckGo, is it working perfectly? So once it's working like that, then you don't need to what's it called? You don't need to clear your history of your what's it called, of your Microsoft Edge. But if you have been using Microsoft Edge before, you need to clear the history before you can install the extension. You understand? Clear the history before you can install the extensions. Okay, so once you install that, once you've done that, then you can now navigate to your fiverr.com, and mind you, if you are setting up your account, don't set up your account with your normal gear that you want to sell. Set up your account on a cloud computing, or any less competitive gigs. I recap again. When you are creating your gig, create your gig either on cloud computing, or you create with less competitive gigs. So after you've now created those gigs, you will wait for 4 hours. Once it's published, wait for 4 hours. After 4 hours, then you can now create your normal gig that you want to sell or intended to sell. Okay? You create your normal gig that you are intending to sell. Do you understand? Please and please, if you don't get it, just comment it on the comment section that, please sir, I don't get this. You understand? Because I want us to grow and I want us to make more money in 2026. Okay? So if you find my video helpful, share, comment. If you have anything that you are not clear enough, you can comment it on the comment section. I'm going to be replying to you. Okay? So thank you for following me. Go and follow me on Facebook as well, because I want to be using Facebook more now, and YouTube. So I want to stop using TikTok for now. So I want to start focusing on Facebook and YouTube. Please and please, for my followers that are following me on YouTube, thank you so much. I'm going to be posting more on Facebook and YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. If it is Facebook that you are seeing this video, don't forget to follow me. If it is TikTok that you are seeing this video, don't forget to follow me. If it is YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Okay.